Hello everyone, welcome to the Alian Hub, an all-in-one project management system. I'm here to provide you with the detailed instructions, step-by-step guidance and some useful hints to make your project management journey as smooth as possible. Let's dive right in and explore some key features and functionality of this Alian Hub. Just say next to proceed and there you go. In this video, I will guide you to create your first account in this Alian Hub. So let's get started. Now you can see the Alian Hub screen here. To create a new account, simply click on Create an Account. Fill all the details like first name, last name, email ID and password. Let's add them one by one together, starting with the first name. Your email must be a valid email. Once all the details are filled, check the Terms and Condition box and click on the Register button. Now you can see your account in Alian Hub is created successfully. The next step is to log in into your account by entering your email and password. So let's add it. Once you fill the detail, click on the login button. Here you can see the main dashboard of Alian Hub. So this is how you can create your account in the Alian Hub. I hope this video will help you and stay tuned for the next coming video on creating your very first project.